All right, everybody, welcome back for another sketching lesson. Today we're going to do Chapter 4, Tutorial 2 as our sketch. As usual, make sure that your Solidworks is set to MMGS for our unit of measure. And I am going to start by opening a sketch in the front plane, which I already have one open. And then I'm going to do a center point line. I'll make this a midpoint line, and I'm just going to come out to about 80 millimeters. And then I'm going to do another center point line, which is also a midpoint line. I'm going to come up here, and we're going to make this one about 50 or so. And I'll hit select. And then I'm going to go into my sketch tool again, regular line. I'm going to make this a midpoint line, and I am going to put that right about here. And this one I'm going to make approximately 45 millimeters. Right about here, I've got my vertical relation. Then I'm going to come over here about 8 millimeters. I'm going to click that. And then from there, I am going to go up approximately 10 millimeters. And then come over here. We're going to come over about, I'd say 6 millimeters here. And then we will come down to 25. Again, right here. Come over about 6 millimeters. Right there. Then come down approximately 4. And then I'm going to come up at an angle here, like so. And I want to be right about here. And then we'll come up approximately 4 millimeters. I want to make sure that I don't wind up with any other. And then here, we'll say about 6. Come down to about 8. And then I'm going to make this line parallel to the other one. All right, so. And then I'll come down, straight down, like so. So now I have my sketch in here, and I can start doing some dimensions. So I will dimension from here, and I'm going to make that 15 millimeters, like so. I will dimension that. To about 45. That's really going to kind of mess up my sketch a little bit. That's okay, because we can fix that. So we haven't locked in anything here, so we are still good to go as we go through and start dimensioning everything else. All right, so I'm going to put in some horizontal dimensions right now. So I'm going to dimension from the origin to this line right here, and that's going to be 23 millimeters. And then I'm going to dimension from origin to this line. That's going to be 29 millimeters. Like so. And then I'm going to dimension from origin to this point right here. And that is going to be 64. And then this one, excuse me a second. I'm going to dimension from origin to here, and this one is going to be 69. Oops. Respond a little slow here, like so. All right, so before I get too far into that, I'm going to make a few adjustments, like so. All right, so let's look at what we have here for the rest of what we're doing. I have to do, I'm going to dimension this to 2.5. there. And then I'm going to dimension this to 8. Like there. We'll dimension that to 4. Like so. And then I will dimension from here to our nope. Did not pick the right one there. It helps if you pick the right one. So we are going to dimension from here to our origin out this way. And we're going to make that 20 millimeters. 20 millimeters. Bueller. Oops. Have a little bit of delayed reaction there. Like so. And then like here. And then this one is going to get dimensioned to 4 millimeters. There we go. And we'll dimension that to 6. Like so. And then this one is going to get to 25. Like so. And I need to dimension this one to 10. Like so. And now we have a fully defined sketch. Now I generally like to start from one point and work my way all the way around to lock in dimensions and relations at the same time. But I did kind of draw that a little bit catawampus. So we went about it that route, but everything is dimensioned properly. We have a fully defined sketch. And now the last thing that we need to do is do a mirror. So I'm going to go up to my mirror entities right here, and I'm going to click on everything that I want to mirror on this sketch. Which is right there. And then we're going to click down here, and we're going to mirror about that line right there, and we'll hit OK. We still have a fully defined sketch. Everything is in there the way we want this to be. And then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on our Features tab, and we are going to do a Revolved Boss Base. Axis of revolution is going to be this center line. And then we're not going to do 360 degrees, but we will do 270. We'll hit Enter. Hit our green check mark, and we are done. Chapter 4, Tutorial 2. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this sketch so we don't have to look at it. And we have our part. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a message down below or talk to me in class. I'm going to go ahead and save this real quick as Chapter 4, Tutorial 2. We've got that all locked in right now. Everything's good. I hit save. I'm good. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.